Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim, and in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how you can create a perfect website by using Gemini and ChatGPT. It's really simple and it's really very effective. So how you can do it? First, write in a Google Gemini or Nano Banana, and then on the first option, Gemini Google, click on this one. So now when you click and Gemini get open, so there is a search bar. So you have to write a prompt here, but for that you can take a help of ChatGPT. So just take a help of ChatGPT and write a perfect prompt for your website. Make sure that your prompt should be attractive and efficient, and according to that, Gemini will create a website for you. It's really simple thing. So when you create a prompt, just paste it here and submit. So it will take a while. So now you can see they created coding for your website. So the website that I am going to create right now, that is for my YouTube channel Knowledge Elevator. So according to that, I write a prompt and paste it here. So now Gemini is creating a code for my website. So now you can see it's just working, and things are going to prepare. So now it's done, and you can see the website that is prepared just in few seconds. All these options are working, like Canva, courses, scholarships, contact, everything is working. So for example, there is a form where you can write information. You can see everything, like the functions that are added to the website. Everything is just working. So you can see website is very effective and attractive. So this is really a very perfect website when it comes to just few minutes effort. So for example, if you want to change the color, so what you can do, there is the option of text where you can talk to AI and just write here, and according to that they will change the color and other stuff for you. So for example, I want to change color, so I will write here, and now you can see the color of, or you can say theme of website is changed. So for example, if you think that it's done, just simply click on share option and copy the link of your website, so you can share with your friends and with client, with customers. So now I will try again and create another website by using ChatGPT and Gemini as well. So how I can do it? For example, I want to create a website that should be like Amazon website. So for that, I will ask ChatGPT that create a prompt for me, or write a prompt for me for a website. So my website should be like Amazon. So I will write here, and now ChatGPT is going to create a prompt for me, and it's working. It will take a while, and in few seconds you can see the prompt is ready. So I will copy this and just create a new chatbot here in Gemini and paste the prompt that I created by using ChatGPT. So now you can see it will take a while, and again Gemini will create a new website for me. So you can see they just start creating coding. So in just few seconds the website is ready, and believe me, it's look like an Amazon website. Just look how the pages, animation, everything is beautiful. All functions, pricing, everything is just working. So the most important thing is that you should be able to edit this website according to your requirement. So what you want to change, you can change, and which type, for example, if you want to add something new, so you can add here. Beside that, you also have an option of conversation with AI, and AI will change all these things for you that you want to change. So you can see upper panel, pages, text, animation, everything is working and everything is quite perfect. Look, I am just showing some features and options that are added to our website, and you can see that Gemini just did this in just few seconds. I really like these features. So for example, if you think that your website is ready, just copy the link, and you can share with your friends, with your customers, with clients. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much for your time. If you like the video, if you think that this video helps you and you can create a perfect website for your own business and for customers, so you can use all these AI tools and techniques, and believe me, you can create a website and other stuff in just few minutes. Now this is the era of AI, so believe me, you should use AI, and you should take a help of AI, but for that you should have proper information and knowledge, and knowledge elevator will help you and make you able to use AI for your different work. So thank you so much for your time. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So see you in next video. Have a good day.